Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an amazing video for y'all showing you all an affordable curly unit from Ywigs. Y'all have been asking me for a while for more curly units. I showed you all a curly unit, I believe maybe about a month or so ago, and you all really enjoyed that, so I had to bring you all another one. And this one is nice and juicy, y'all. I took it out of the package and I was like, man, this thing is ready to go. The curls look absolutely beautiful right out of the package. You don't have to do anything to it. You can put it on your head and it will be ready. This is a lace front construction. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and it also comes with a detachable elastic band, which is really cool. So it's not already attached when you get it. It's gonna be in a little packet, and I've already shown that. So as you all can see, putting the unit on, you can just fluff it. It has a pre-plucked hairline, and I really like how they laid the baby hair in the front, so you wouldn't have to do that yourself. I know some people, baby hair can be a bit of a challenge, so for them to already have them pretty much set for you, that's really good. And y'all, the cool feature about this unit is that it's also a full lace, so it gives you a variety of different styling options, and I'm going to show you all some styles at the end which are going to be really cute and fun, especially for the summertime. And I love that this unit was really lightweight as well. With this unit, because it is full lace, guys, you're going to get so much parting space. I was so impressed by that. And it's also transparent lace, so it's going to blend and look very nice with any skin tone. Now, I will share my really quick and easy, effective way of tinting the lace that I use all the time in a moment, and I'm going to show you 2 different options, but I parted it off first. Now I want to show you all the unit on a mannequin head. As you can see, as I stated earlier, the baby hair looks so good. The pre-plucked hairline doesn't require any additional work. I didn't do anything to this hairline. And look at the back. This is what it looks like. Now it does look a little muted, so if you like this, you can keep it the way that it is, but if you want the back to look a little more intense, I tried something new and I was surprised it kind of worked. So I'm going to spray the Sally Hansen, and this is the color that I typically use. Well, I started using it and it blends better, the medium glow. But if you have darker skin, then try that color. It's going to be really good for you. So I spray that on the lace, and you want to spray it all over. After you've done that, you're going to take a foundation brush and you're going to stipple it on. Now the back, you can decide to spray it back there. Now, I was not sure what this was going to do. If it was going to look a hot mess or not. But I sprayed that on, used my brush to stipple it in, making sure it was nice and smooth. I turned it over and I was like, wow, okay, that was a good idea. So this is what the lace looks like now. It looks very scalp-like. I really like how it turned out. And guys, I was so surprised that this unit turned out this well and it had these type of features, being that it's so affordable. I believe this unit is like $150 maybe, which is great for curly hair. Y'all know curly hair can be expensive, especially curly hair that has a pre-plucked hairline, full lace, all the added things that this one has. So after you've done the Sally Hansen, don't stop there because it's going to transfer onto the front of your hairline. So you want to clean that off. I'm using a makeup wipe to do it, and then I'm going to cut the lace and begin installing.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty.
All right, y'all, so this is the amount of shedding that I receive from this hair. So curly hair is gonna shed some. Now, if it's shedding like a dog, then that's not normal, but the amount of shedding that I showed you guys was very normal. So I'm taking out the elastic band that I used to set the front hairline, and the baby hair are looking a little interesting. Now, I like to use the Sebastian Shaper Plus, and this is a holding spray if I'm not trying to get super sleek baby hair. I'm not gonna do a whole lot to my baby hair, and if you wanted to leave them as they were, then you could, but I decided to use some of that just to add more hold in the front, and it's really gonna create a melted lace look, and it's gonna allow for you to be able to construct and sculpt the baby hair and the hairline the way you desire. After I do this, I like to follow it up with a comb just to make sure everything's smooth in the front. And y'all know I had to add jam. I love using Let's Jam on curly textured hair. Sometimes I use it on straight too, but it works the best for me and gives it that really juicy, just delicious look with a curly unit. It looks so phenomenal. It looks like it literally grew out of my scalp, and I just love the shine that it gives. Now, you may see some excess product on the hair, and guys, that's just the jam because I didn't smooth it in as much, but just rub your fingers through, and if you notice that there's still some residue, spray some water on it, and that's gonna cause it to dissolve.
Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love.
So now we've entered the styling portion. I was very impressed by how realistic this unit looks. Putting it in a ponytail in the front, you can do a little side flat twisted look, and this was one of my favorite hairstyles in the past. I used to always wear my hair in the hairstyle that I'm going to show you all currently. It looks so great, and if you wanted to expose the back by parting, this unit is going to give you that versatility because it is a full lace. So when you do styles like this, you don't have to worry about the wefts peeking out in the back. There's going to be somewhat of a lace exposure that's going to give a natural realistic look. But when I did this one, actually it didn't show any lace too much because I didn't part it with a really defined part. So it worked out really great. So this turned out really nicely. You can leave one side out or you can twist both sides, and that's going to be really cute as well. So this style turned out really nicely. I love everything about this unit. It's affordable, it's really, really well done, and beginner friendly, so that's a plus. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.